This million-dollar home came with some tough choices. We had to decide whether adding a massive deck in the back was worth the cost. And instead, we created a new family room that really improved the home. Stick around so I can show you around and also share with you how much profit we plan to make. The house was in a light blue-gray color that was very dated. But what bothers me the most was actually the vertical trim it had that made the house look so antiquated. So we removed the trim and also gave the house a fresh coat of paint, and this dark gray color makes the home look so sleek. We also replaced the garage door and the windows, so we have a much more modern home. The front yard was a big mess. It was a lot of overgrown bushes that we had to clean up, and we have put down some mulch, and we're still in the process of planting some new plants to make the front yard look more welcoming. And the big change over here is the stairs leading up to the front entrance, because the steps were so broken and it was really unsafe. So now the new stairs make the front access way easier. Welcome to this like new home. We removed the popcorn ceiling and put in a lot of recessed lights, and also removed the ugly wall paneling and replaced the old carpet with white plank new flooring. And then we put in this new window and got rid of the tree that was in the backyard blocking the view, and now we have a really cool view of the hills on the other side. And then the focal point of the living room is the new fireplace. This was old bricks before and it was hideous. We put in these slat panels that really brighten up the space and make it so cool. The kitchen and dining area went through a big transformation. The dining room was originally very plain, and we added this statement chandelier that really elevated the style. And then the kitchen was very dark and very small. It was just a simple galley kitchen with very dark cabinets and hideous door knocking style handles. So we got rid of it all and put in all white cabinets to make this space feel more expansive. I love that we have gold hardware to kind of add a touch of chicness, and also the slat panel at the end of the cabinets match what we put on the fireplace, and it really make this kitchen so cool and so welcoming. This first bedroom used to be pretty messy. It had popcorn ceiling that we removed, and we also swapped the window to really allow the nice view into the hills. And then we repainted the interior, put in new trim and new closet door. And I love the staging in here because it's now a very cute girls' room, and these little rain boots are just so adorable. The second bedroom was transformed pretty similarly, where we removed the popcorn ceiling, added the ceiling light, and new window, new paint. But over here, we put in this new closet door that has black, thin frame that looks so chic. This guest bathroom was covered in wood paneling. It also had a hideous vanity. So now we put in this oak color vanity that looks super modern, and we also put in all new tiles that are marbling and look very clean. The primary bedroom looked so dark before, but we added a new ceiling light and swapped the windows to allow more natural lighting. And we put way more work in the bathroom because the space was really not well utilized. There was only a teeny tiny vanity that we managed to expand into a very sizable one with a good storage and also counter space. We also redid the shower tiles, the floor tiles, but the glass shower door really made a big difference because the small space feels way bigger than originally was. The stairs going down were refinished with new vinyl floors, and this room used to look like a complete basement because there was not enough lighting and the walls were covered with dark wood paneling. The foundation was also exposed over here, and we made the walls flush and added plenty of ceiling light. So now this footstool table and the staging here make it look like a really nice family/game room. From the door in the garage, we get to this very sizable backyard. There was a lot of dry rot that we repaired, and we also took out that awning that was very unsafe. And over here on this side, there was a tree that was blocking the view from the living room, and we removed it, so now we have unobstructed view that's from the living room. That's super nice. And then we also removed a lot of the overgrown bushes on this side and put in a new retaining wall. So now we have very clean space over here, and towards the end we also put in new sod, so now it's very family friendly. So now you've seen this whole transformation, let's get to the numbers. I purchased this home for about $1 million, and we put $200,000 into the renovation. We're hoping to sell the home for 1.45, so we can make about $130,000. Wish us luck. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.